Hi guys, today we are going to learn about goto in C. First of all, I suggest to avoid using this function. Lol. It makes the life of the programmer miserable. #sad life. Because many programs becomes unreliable, unreadable and hard to debug. And yet many programmers find it seductive. Now what this function does? We use the goto to take the control where you want. Like if you want to go to the 30th line statement, then you can use this. Yes, I know, what are you thinking? With good programming skills you can do this task with other methods also. Smiley face. Code snippet. After execution of this program, compiler control from if statement goes to the source block and the print statement will be printed.